Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning Random Generate Text. So do you know you can randomly generate text within your Word document? For example, if I want to generate any paragraph, any lines, so what I will do RAND start of bracket, close of bracket, press enter. Now you can see it has generated me the random paragraphs with the lines in it. Control Z to go back. I can even specify the number of paragraphs which I want and number of lines within the paragraph as well. So is equal to RAND start of bracket. So I just want one paragraph, comma, and I want 6 lines within that paragraph. Press enter. Sorry. Go after the close of the bracket, press enter. Now it's just gave me the one paragraph and which has the lines which I specified. Control Z to go back. So this was the random generate text function.